Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a leopard. This is a leopard. A leopard. The next animal is a rooster. This is a rooster. A zebra. A zebra is a wild animal. The next animal is a deer. This is a deer. A deer. A camel. This is a camel. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. The next animal is a duck. This is a duck. A duck. The next animal is alligator. This is alligator. Alligator. A rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. The next animal is elephant. This is elephant. The next one is a dog. This is a dog. A lion. A lion is the king of forest.